All right, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Rational market open. Things looking pretty solid for a sit back and relax kind of day. I love those. Check the DD bands conversions real quick. Oh yeah, my bad. I forgot to with my sound a little bit. There we go. Let me turn that down. You're right. Ooh. A little bit better here. There we go. That's how I do it. Sound better? TD-bot going here. Conversions this morning. Oh yeah. Okay, 4-3 and some change. The upper band, and then $397.50. What's up, everybody? Oh, I forgot to post my P&L yesterday. I forgot. Won a trade. Y'all were there for the stream. That was like a couple $100. Nothing too big.
This saves me a ton of time.
I'm gonna try a new channel for music. Start your 7-day free trial. Where does it say that at? Is that still in the description? Let me go change that. Where does it talk about the 7-day free trial? I need to. We're giving you guys 3 months now. I need to go update that. And the starting slide. Oh, well. Oh yeah. Let's change that. Rock on. Start your 3-month extended trial. That's better. Oh, thank you. We're gonna have to go scrape that from all the places. We have 3-month extended trial to make it even better. Got a little bit more time there. There we go. That's better. All right, market's open irrational. Let's take a look at all the different things we look at every morning. Let's see. Russell's looking okay. Nasdaq is collapsing through the bottom DD band. S&P is collapsing as well. Typically, the market likes to test inside of here. That's typically the high of the day. It would be very random to go through here. We'll have to see if the liquidity maps come out any different to show that there's any kind of support at a monthly hedge or something. But this is pretty much what you'd expect to see with the data we came out this morning. Obviously, this is where, let's put today up here. Price index, PCE price index this morning. We already were trading down overnight, both in European and in Asian and European sessions. So market got a little volatile right here, as you see. VIX is trading above this triple B. We're still celebrating and honoring that contango that's been there. We haven't been able to get out of that 1975 range, so this is typically a month-long process of additional volatility. Market completely volatile, opening outside the DD bands. Market is irrational. I don't trade usually at all when irrational. We teach our students not to sit out and learn to be comfortable sitting out early on when you're starting to train. So in the process, we teach people being comfortable sitting out is something that's hard to practice. We give you a couple of tools that help you learn how to get away from that FOMO. You want to learn how I build an account to whatever. This is part of it. You know, being comfortable sitting out, not FOMO, not chasing, only trading that makes sense. So normally, you know, inside of this band is likely some trade op. Even when irrational, if I do trade, it's a fraction of my position. About 10% or so what I normally would put in. So that's basically it. We're sitting here. We start with the 10K account, as y'all know. So I'm going to trade it to 100K, easy peasy. Y'all watch it in the middle of the stream all day, every day with the broker statement. You'll see the realest futures trader on the planet. One of the largest trading communities on the planet. We appreciate you guys joining us. Rocket Scooter has gained thousands of people this month, and I'm so thrilled to have you all here. Mic volume is low. Well, let's fix that. Oh, wait, hello. How about that? Is that better? Or is that too loud? Smash that like button while you're at it. Let's get some love up here. I forgot I was playing with my settings when I had my microphone outage the other day. I think I spilled some water on my board. So the board my mixing board. So that was, I thought I drained it out. This was weeks ago, but it probably just started shorting for a little bit. You want it a little louder? That's what you're saying? You want it a little louder. Well, it was great. Okay. You turn yourself up. Or turn your microphone. I mean, you know what I'm saying. You turn your speakers up. So, outside of the DD bands, right? Market's nice and irrational. If I do find any trades, like we hit a monthly hedge or something, I like to trade up to the band with a small position. We're at about 80 to 83% win rate. Only haven't lost any days yet. It's been, what, 20-something days? 21 days. It's been great trading appropriately, up 43% in the account, just grinding it up there, no losing days. You guys want to learn how to beat those funded account trading combines. Those things are very popular, right? I teach courses on how to approach those. If you've ever joined any program like that and you just feel lost and don't know that there's tricks, there are tricks, and we teach them in our 6-week course that comes with our 3-month extended trial. Somebody messaged me yesterday and said there's a bunch of wannabe traders out there pointing fingers at each other about who is or isn't entering this trading tournament called the Robbins Cup. Here's what I'm thinking, like, it's funny when people like yell and challenge each other to the things and then they both back out. I'm gonna walk in and win that thing. I'll probably sign up towards the middle of the year and just walk in and win. Easy peasy. I have a buddy of mine just told me they're entering. We'll go get first and second place. With no doubt. No doubt. I didn't know there's a bunch of trading contests out there. I'm gonna walk up and enter. If y'all have any cool trading contests, I'd love to enter them. This is the year I want to do that. No lie. I mean, you're watching my trading account live. Somebody told me, Matt, right now you'd be in the top 5 with your current trading account. Literally top 5 in the world. Oh, really? Do I win anything? They're like, nah, it's just like this contest or something. I don't know. I would be top 5. That's cool with the 10K account. I didn't know that. I was like, what do you win? They're like, street cred. And they're like, there's all these fake traders arguing with each other about joining it. Like all these Twitter kids and stuff. They're like, Matt, just walk in and sweep the floor. And I was like, oh, really? Okay, maybe. You get to keep the money. You make your own trading account. Oh, well, hell. Oh yeah, dude, I'm just gonna walk up and enter it probably in the summer. After this challenge is over. Easy peasy. Irrational, go back to sleep. What's up, Cran? You know the drill. That's how we do it. Okay, it's 3 minutes still open. based on percent gains. Yeah, somebody sent me a message. They were like, check out the leaderboard. You'd be in the top 5. I was like, oh, really? My last trading challenge I did, I was up 1,200, something like that percent. My $6,700 account went up like 1,200%. I think the winner that year was like, they said that the winner that year was like 200% or something like that. You had 12. Like you would have been, there would have been no close second place. I was like, oh, okay. I guess. Might as well. I don't care about the prize. I just want to shut up some paper traders. Easy as that. I like the battlefield of scammers calling scammers other scammers, and then I just walk in with the trophy and walk out and go back to work. Don't even gloat about it. Just have everybody like, wait, what the heck just happened? You did an nano. Well, you did an nano. Well, you did an nano. Well, I did. You did it. Well, why don't you? And they're like, oh wait, this dude walked in and won. Who's that guy? 6 course available after the 3-month trial. Yes, it will be. The 3-month trial is just a chance for you to get in on it, and that is limited. Where 3-month trial is not lasting forever. We want to get roughly 1,000 people sign up for it, just to get a big demographic of folks to tell us some feedback, how it works, and kind of play with the format. So join now. 3 months for $35 a month. It goes to $199 if you take the market price and the trial goes away. Now there's a hint. I'm going to drop a hint really quick. At the end of the 3-month trial, we might have a surprise gift for everyone that completes it. I'm talking like membership related gift and a gift related gift. So it's just not necessarily worth your time. All right, market's open. What happened in the free 7-day trial? This is what I say. We have promotions, and if you don't get in on them while they're there, they go away. So this is even better. And this is limited time, like the free trial was. We just moved on to a 3-month trial so that people could actually try an entire program. Let's take a look. Resilience right out the door. Very, very, very positive. Good to see that. So we're looking but we're irrational, so really we can't put too much faith into resilience leading the market. So Shifty, you should go ahead and, if you want to check it out, try the extended trial. It's definitely once in a lifetime thing. We're not going to do this forever. But it's like for 3 months, $35 a month. You don't have to stay all 3 months if you don't want to. Go through the program, take the knowledge and go with you. Teach you all about irrational days, teach you all about how to do correct position sizing, account management, tricks that I use, like leverage management, risk management, where to put stops, how to use liquidity maps, like everything that we do here, how I maintain high win rates, all my tricks, like it's all part of the courses. Being picky when you trade, like markets irrational. The stream is even light, which is great. Usually I have 200 something people watching the stream. There's 130 people because right now it's irrational. People know to wake up when it's irrational, and they go out and they go enjoy their day. They don't tussle with it. They know they don't do much. And so all of our students, literally 70 something people haven't showed up this morning. That's incredible. That makes me happy. What's up, Delta Bravo? First day here. Okay, market is irrational outside of these green bands. Irrational trading, we teach that there is no trade plan, nothing to be had here. Sit out. Kind of the rule there. If I trade, it's going to be trading small, mean reversion short up. We already are inside of a liquidity pocket. Hit the wall, hit the middle. Market will be random from here. So it's kind of like nice and tidy, nice and relaxed, chill sort of day. Let's take a look at QQQ. And while that's loading up, let's do let's run over here. Take that. Oops. Where is that? Oh, that's weird. My screen is. And maybe it's referencing the wrong monitor. I'm looking at the scanner right now. My breakup scanner, Intuit, mRNA, Microsoft. So QQQ bear short up. right? Let's take a look at the... So we're already random, likely an S&P, but BRSU has these kind of scalps inside of this range. Since we're irrational, there's a short op from here to here, but it's a small position size if I do take anything. Opening from here, there's a V-shaped trade against here back to open, so that's the first thing I'm looking to see. And of course, remember, in irrational, we take everything with a grain of salt. Let's take a look at the UVXY just to see if we have anything coming through. 5.5 break on this is going to be another irrational limit, so I gotta be careful there. Like I said, SPY back to here looking kind of meh. So it looks like we already tapped that bottom. Maybe not yet, but it's kind of playing with that area. So the market has upside potential there, and it's probably going to slam down by the end of the day. So I'm looking at that. On the breakout scare to the upside, Microsoft right out the door looking pretty hot. We have a BRSU as well. Microsoft, there's a possible move from there to there. That's going to lift the market mirror. Microsoft was a stock yesterday that brought the market down midday. Microsoft breaking hedge pressure, right, 2 hours in the market open, created that second wind of turbulence that had the market accelerate right before it bottomed into it. Let's go. Let me see if this guy MHP breakup. That's not right. Hold on. Let's do INT. Hold on. DocuSign, JD showing up. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do anything this morning. So I have some stocks pushing to go through monthly hedge pressures, so keep an eye on that. These are going to be breakout stocks to the upside. Negative resilience, positive monthly. So, you know, I don't see any evidence of really much to do here today. Should for karaoke. Oh, we gotta pick a song. What do you want me to sing? Just gotta wait on this. I don't really see any any reason to do much. DD is 0.36, so it's preferentially going to want to stay. Now, again, we're irrational. It's hard to make rationalizations against it. But DD is 0.36, so if the SPY does move higher, then that means the index will get squeezed faster than the stocks. With the stocks gapping down and trading down, doesn't seem to be likely the case that we trade up higher. Just like every other time, monthly hedge versus shorts are going to be my favorite, and that's going to be really close to the DD band on SPY. So against the MRSU, remember, anytime you open here, it is random wall to middle. We haven't done wall to middle yet. We haven't hit that quote unquote permanent random trigger. So like obviously today I'm just shorting off 397.5. Just to take a scalp, seeing what it looks like when it gets there. It's probably wouldn't be what I'm going to do. And then that's it. Do I also trade bonds? I particularly don't, but a lot of people here do in our group. Rocky Man, what's up, Denny? Ashton, a great session this morning. On your end, love the 1-2 punch you have going here. Oh, dude, it's great, man. Probably likely the case, but like I said, there's nothing really. There's nothing that easy to see off of what's up here on the charts. Like, there's really not a good opportunity here. Shorting from here to something. It'll have to see some more evidence. I just don't see a good trade setup, to be honest. QQQ itself. Let's take a look at QQQ resilience, right? They're just all over the place. So the market is just going to be choppy inside of here. And random towards the end of the day. So in all honesty, it's just like whenever you see days like this, you don't really have to kind of put a lot of faith or stock into what's going on. So these are rational days. Just like to sit out, take it easy, call it a day. Are these indicators that are widely available? No, this is part of. So the Rocket Scooter platform is a brand new philosophy of trading. All these different tools you hear us mention, these were invented here. This is the result of a development effort of a bunch of engineers and traders like myself. We put together tools that we created in-house. They're not technical indicators that are available at all. We actually invented the entire process. Irrational markets can determine that the market is unstable with high probabilities of margin calls. And so you know that the market is just not going to behave a certain way. So if I have rule sets that I follow, like do this when these 2 or 3 things line up, do something, like that's a rule. Then when irrational, I throw my rules out, and then I know the market just has no logic to it. And so today, being irrational, one of these things called DD bands is an invention here, and it's a technique that we do teach as part of the extended trial. Like I said, we'd love for you guys to check it out. You'll go through an entire program. It's 6 weeks long. You can learn everything. That's anything you want to do: futures, options, stocks. We have something for everybody, and our $35 a month is the cost for that. And you get full access to the platform, full access to live data feeds, everything. So it's normally $199. So you get that for 3 months. We want everybody to come check it out. I mean, we're only opening this for a little bit of time. We want to get as many people as we can in, and then shut the doors at that. So if you want to check it out for the first time before we go to market prices, we just launched this last year. We've been kind of going viral a little bit. It's been crazy and overwhelming in a good way. So who's going to lead who? Yeah, that's the thing. You don't really know who's going to lead who today. So in reality, this is something we just be careful to watch. But either way, like, I'm not making any trades, so that's the best part. If you know the market's going to be a certain way, don't have to make any trades. I haven't lost a trading day yet, right? This is a 21-day streak and 21 day of a challenge. So the market's going to fall and be crazy. Just let it be fall and be crazy. One of the tricks is we're going to look at the monthly. We're going to look at monthly expiring options, see where that monthly support is. This is part of kind of like our monthly map sweep. So over the course of the month, right, you do have kind of bull zone support at 370. So while the market is turbulent and selling off, 370 seems to be a place where it likely will want to support over time. So the downward trajectory over the course of a month is here. I'm just going to... And actually, let's go ahead and do that since we're here. Y'all want us to do it. Let's do a quick monthly map. So a monthly map, so I can map out the SPY for a month out from here. So that's kind of a neat little thing that we do. Let me turn off all this stuff. Hold on. Well, let me actually get an hourly chart. That'll be easier. There you go. Much better. All right. So before I make any deeper analysis of this, I'm going to go ahead and take a look. Remember, I made a Twitter call not too long ago, back in January. The bear market was back, and you never hear me say that stuff unless I am serious. I said bear market is back with a vengeance. And it's very obvious that that's happening. It's a quick yellow monthly map here. So let's go ahead and plot out some inputs on SPY. Let's go to single date, manual date. Let's go ahead right now. We're sitting on the 24th. So we have today. Let's go ahead and do the 31st. Friday here. So down to 374. It's really low. Pop it out another week to the 7th. Actually, hold on. Let me see really quick. Let me try something really quick. Let's just do, instead of going all the way out to the monthly, 380, 365 to the 17th. And 370. So I'm doing is mapping out where some support and resistances are. Where the bull and bear positions are distributed over the course of the month, right? So we're just kind of look at what's going on here. We have an unusually volatile week coming up, obviously next week. This is the 3rd. Then we're going to do today. Let's do the 1st, 395 and 362. I'm just kind of doing it. And this is actually about to be automated, which is kind of cool. So as you see, like right now, we are trailing into a large liquidity pocket. This is not good. There is no bullishness like period for a while. Like you need to be in a bull zone over the course of some time Losing 395 even going into the first. What day did I do? Is that the first? Okay, that is next Wednesday. And so we'll do the third really quick. 400 and 370. I think I just did the third. It's on the third. Wrong spot. Let's do the 8th, 401, 393. So I'm just doing this, and when this is automated, it's gonna be a one button click. It's gonna be so cool. So what this is gonna show me is where the bull and bear positions are for the rest of the month. Like we're looking a month out here now. And what I'm doing is we call it a monthly map. And so right now it's manual, but it's going to be automated very soon. So as you see, the market's going to be volatile for about 2 more weeks, and then volatility is going to tighten up. How do I get the screen you're looking at, Josh? Oh, hey, Josh, you joined last night. What do you mean? How you get the screen that you're looking at? Explain. This is the platform. When you go to our website, you can log into the platform, and this will show up for you. Your chart keeps snapping back to center. Won't let me zoom. Any ideas why? This might be clicked on auto, or the auto scale might be turned on. So turn off your auto scaling right there. It's up in the settings. It's just auto scaling. So as you see, like what I'm doing is called a monthly map, right? And let me make a note of something really quick. So remember, irrational days are like educational days. We sit back, we relax, we don't really do too much. All right. So what I'm sitting on right here, haven't had a red day since the course started. Jason, way to go. You're honestly not following the rules to stay out, but the reality check of irrationals improve your discipline up to stay green. I mean, the rules to stay out are designed to teach a new trader how to be comfortable sitting out, like how to not sit here and be like, okay, what do I do next? Right? That's the first point to failure, right? You want to be a professional trader or a full-time home trader, or you want to be a person day trades for a living, whatever your goal is. Everyone that does this, that's at kind of like, I guess, my caliber, who does this to pay their bills, will tell you the one time they noticed they were going to make it in this career was when they were comfortable sitting out. They learned how to know when their risk tolerances were there, and they knew just to avoid the market. If you have that skill set, that's like the magic eye. That's that you have something that other people don't have. Most of you get up and every day is like, okay, where's the opportunity? You're a newbie. Not you, who I'm speaking with, everybody. If you think, where's the opportunity today? You're a newbie. First question is should I be looking for an opportunity today? Okay, check. Okay, now where's the opportunity? So you have to have a layer of, do I avoid or do I even mess with this? Like, you can tell if something's unusual. Typically, most professional or full-time traders, after years and years and years of doing this, just get a feel of it, right? You can feel the way the market's moving, that it's going to be outside of your tolerance. And that's pretty normal. And we have rules that we teach people. So irrational just means that the market has a high probability of margin call. So it's going to flip-flop and be all over the place, and you can't predict the outcome. You just can't. All your indicators will fail. So even if you're not following the rules and you feel comfortable sitting out, and we don't need to like essentially instill that feeling by practicing, you know, even if you skirt the rules, we always say that's the time you trade small, or to have discipline, like extreme discipline inside of this region to keep yourself grounded and not betting big to where you're not losing big, right? So I love it. Iron Condors, yeah, the first box they're sitting, blah, blah, blah. I'm just estimating like where it's going to be, right? So the takeaways is that the larger the distance between the boxes, the higher the volatility. So we're going to be volatile up until the 3rd, which is like next Friday, sorry. So we have a volatile week coming up. The distance between these boxes being volatility, and then sometime around the 1st of next month, the volatility tightens up, and that's it. So the market's gonna be volatile for a little bit. And, you know, when that happens and that volatility is there, you just understand that the market can fall really far. Now, today, if we crash out below 393, then we're stuck in a massive liquidity pocket, which means the market could fall really far on the way down. Sorry about that. We're entertaining family in town, so just coordinating my morning. So ideally, right, what this means is if we fall below, this is where the market is bullish this day and bullish this day and bullish this day as of right now. This is where people's risk is distributed. So what you'll notice, a couple takeaways in the monthly maps, is that if people are, this is where people are bull and this is when people are bear, and this is where people are neither, okay? The distribution of market maker risk is spread like this. And when you look at it is that on this day, the minimum bull is higher than the minimum bull. If people need a price to be higher to be bullish, then they're less bullish, meaning less bullish. So the takeaways are, from here over the next 2 weeks, the market is less bullish day by day. The bull side is fading rapidly. And if people are willing to short higher, people are becoming more bearish day by day. So there's two different sides. You have a bull and a bear, a not bull and a not bear. A bull longs the market, a not bull exits along. A bear shorts the market, and not bear exits a short. Y'all have it, everybody? Yes, yes. So if the bulls, if people at 390, whatever it is, 393 are bullish up until this day, they're no longer bullish for the next couple of ticks right here, right? So if you see this right here, what it means is that people need the market to be higher to be comfortably being bullish. So people are less bullish, and people are willing to short higher, which means they're becoming more bearish. So it's not only less bullish, but more bearish at the same time. So positionally, we're shifting to more shorting. And this is the volatile region that you're seeing volatility when volatility tightens up. So even if we stayed right here at 394 and didn't go anywhere, this is now extremely bearish on 8th of March. You'll see that? That's how this works. So if the market, if I'm trying to, for instance, buy calls for a market breakout, if I buy those calls here just to protect, like, or an example, if I'm selling calls, let me give you a couple examples of how you do this. Say you own the stock and you're scared the market's going to fall because it's now bearish. You want to catch some premium, and while you're deciding to hold your position, you want to catch some premium by selling covered calls. Well, you can sell calls in that bull breakout where it's likely not to go on this particular day. So the way a monthly map would work is I would sell covered calls on this day because right now we are actually bearish. If I was long the market, okay, it's bullish now, but not bullish here, and then bearish here at this exact horizontal. So bullish, not bullish, bearish. So in this week, if it's falling, then chances are you don't breach the gap and go to the bull side without a catalyst, right? So we're gonna have some volatility, and I can sell calls for this expiration right now. And if the market rallies over the next couple of weeks and survives this volatility, then hey, we rallied, right? I don't make any money on the calls. But that's how I would do a monthly map to plan how I'd catch some premium against a position I hold, as an example. Or know when the market is bearish, right? So I know that for here until there, I'm still nice and bullish, but as of after that day, the bull market ends at 394. So if we hold flat and hold flat, it's bullish, it's bullish, it's bullish, it's bullish, it's bullish, and it's not bull anymore. So now I have a time frame of a window of bullishness that I need the market to go higher, at least of now. And every morning I'm going to redo these, and they're going to move around a little bit. But you can see that the large distance expels out extreme volatility. So my prediction of bear market is back, what I did kind of back in January. Right here, I made a tweet that says the bear market's back. It's really scary. And I was like, everybody come watch, come watch. I have this video, and I had this huge Zoom call. And everybody came in, and there were some trolls. Oh yeah, bull market's back, huh? Or bear market's back. Okay. And then it's like that volatility is now here. We're opening above monthly hedge pressure, right? That's, I mean, below. So automatically, that's what we call bear structure. You learned yesterday. This is the 4th day in a row of bear structure. The market is getting hedged bearishly, so that's not good. That volatility is there for a couple more weeks. That's going to continue to bring the market down. That's not good. If we look over here, what we call our triple B, anytime VIX is supporting and honoring that contango and trading even higher, that forward curve is no longer flat. It's expanding. So you have this part right here, or it's increasing further contango as the months go by. You see that we draw this line. It's kind of in the middle of the two contracts on this particular day. That contango, and it was underpricing volatility. So volatility expectations were underpriced. So we have even additional volatility considerations, and that's pricing itself into the monthly maps. So it's easy to see right now that the market's going to have a really shitty next couple of weeks. You can see that from a mile away. MHP turned positive. Oh yeah. Oh nice. So we're gonna probably get right up there. Like I said, I don't want to touch this today. I'm probably gonna call it a day. Just watching the chart, you can see how random it is. Isn't it crazy, right? You can see that the market just is random and choppy when this huge irrational flag happens. So everybody here, Josh, Kim, yeah, make sure, I know if you do your auto scaling, right? If you go up here where this gear is, you can turn off auto scaling. And honestly, I kind of want auto scaling features. Let's take a look at QQQ really quick. Okay, so everybody, make sure you head over and check out that extended trial while you can. We're doing this massive push of this brand new 6-week training program. What it does is it goes through everything that we teach for practically free. You pay for your data feeds to the platform, and that's it. You can get through our entire program, nothing hidden, for 35 bucks. It's $199 normally. So for 3 months actually, so you can enjoy our community, enjoy our style, enjoy, you know, they literally have had over 1,000 people sign up in the last maybe like 10 days. So we literally have 1,000 new faces, and we merged with one of the best options traders out there. And now we're tag teaming a course, learning with this. We have options out, you know, options courses galore, like the best options courses I've ever seen. So they're now part of the Rocket Scooter educational suite. So we invite you all to come check it out. It'll be fun. If you haven't tried our platform out or tried out our education, we'd love for you to come check it out. Like I said, no obligation. You can cancel anytime. And of course, you join one of the biggest trading communities there is on the planet for a reason. We make sure we teach you what you're looking to learn and teach you something you can't just Google for free, because most everything out there you can pretty much Google for free. Everything here is unique and different. All we do is volume prediction methods, and we use them to find pivots. We use them to find areas of risk, areas to avoid. And I scale everything, position sizing from risk management to position sizing to risk management based on all these principles and philosophies that we have here. So I invite you all to check it out. Click that link below. Extended trial. And we'll see y'all later. I'll probably do a course. We'll probably, like I said, we'll probably do a film today. If not, I have family in town. Pretty much just catch up. We have so many videos for the first week and this last week that I promise, rewatch them and rewatch them and rewatch them. It's all the foundations and fundamentals. You go through everything from liquidity map to DD, to all the irrational rules, all the random rules, and window of opportunity. We need to do a film or a video on resilience. However, while markets irrational, there's just not a good example of it. So we're gonna have a day where we wake up markets rational. We have a good window to take a look at resilience as an indication, and we'll make a video off of that. And it's the last video we make on the tools before we go deeper dive into how to blend everything together for trade plans. So that's the next step. All right, we love you guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call it a day. This is great, right? Woke up and said a rational day. What am I gonna do? The jokes in Discord, people are like, let's sing karaoke. So that's a great idea. But really, I'm just gonna kind of chill, go hang out with family, maybe get some breakfast. You know, that's kind of what it is, right? A rational market. My job is to protect my account and grow in this bear market. I haven't lost a single trading day since I started this challenge on YouTube. It's day 21. Again, my results are unusual. It's not everybody. You know, my results indicate yours, of course, but I've been trading for a long time. I know what I'm doing. We want to teach our program so you can learn a little bit more about that by joining our extended trial. I will teach you every style of how I trade and why I do what I do. Like today was an irrational day. I woke up, decided to sit out. How to know how to do that? Market's choppy and crazy. I'm not going to buy this dip. things like that. These are tricks of the pros, and we'll make sure we teach them all to you. So join the extended trial because it's not gonna be here forever. Might can that thing in about a month and take no more new applicants. So join the 1,000 plus that's already joined this last week. We'd love to have you here, and we'll see y'all